Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to share an iCloud calendar on your iPhone, iPad or iPod. And this is very simple. The thing that you need to do is go to your calendar and then from here click on calendars. Then right here I have my iCloud calendars just right here and I want to share a calendar with a friend of mine. Then what we need to do is click here on the I. And then right here, I already shared this calendar with my girlfriend. Then right now I want to add a person and then fill in the person that you want to add. So let's say I want to add myself. Then I click here on myself, then we do add. And then right now view done, we invited the person that I want to share my calendar with. Then we do done. And then right now if you go to your inbox, you can see here exactly just right here that someone sent you a message to share your calendar with. So if you will see it just right here, then you can click on accept and then you shared your calendar. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.